Hello, welcome to the channel Canutalo IP. Today we are going to see how to configure an analog telephone line on Grandstream IP PBX. The first step is to connect the line coming from the modem or, if it is a copper line, to the FXO port, either one. Right now, it is connected to port 1, and if you look, it should say connected but not configured. If I hover over port 2, it doesn't show anything. I only have one phone line, and when it is connected, it will say connected but not configured. Next, we go to PBX settings, interface settings, and click on where it says FXO ports. We edit the box and click on detect. This is an impedance calibration or ACIM calibration, so that it detects the impedance of the line provided by the supplier and makes the calibration adjustment. We will give it a few minutes. After it finishes, a message will appear, and if you look there, I changed the impedance. Here I changed the value. This value will not necessarily always change. We click on Update, Save, and apply the changes, and wait for it to finish. We go to Trunk Extension, Analog Trunk, and we are going to register the line. We have to check the port where the line is connected. Only this port would need to mark. We enter a name and go to the tab below where it says Detect. We are going to set it to semi-auto detect and enter a phone number so that the IP PBX can dial out to us. We click on Detect, wait for the IP PBX to send us the call, we answer the call, click on OK, listen to a few tones, and then hang up the call on the cell phone. We click on OK here, and then we just wait for the disconnection threshold to appear. When the disconnection threshold appears, we just click OK. If you look closely, you will see that the cutoff tone parameters have been customized. All we have to do now is save and apply the changes. If we go to the System Status tab on the dashboard, we will see the active line in blue. At this point, we cannot make calls yet, as we need to configure the incoming and outgoing rules to be able to make and receive calls, but we will leave that for another video. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.